Morley is an amazing community.
It's an institution which has been here for ages to serve the community.
I think what's really good is people are really supportive of each other in the classroom. It's a really friendly place, Morley.
And I went to Morley as a kid. I always think it's an institution which is warm, welcoming, and it doesn't matter what age you are there. I love the diversity of the students.
Adults of all ages, and it's a really lovely way of getting out and just doing really lovely creative things.
You can come as a beginner or someone that has already got quite a lot of experience. Join this community, chat with people, see what they're making and what you're making, bond and also learn from each other as well. It's very wholesome, a lot of greenery around, and it's just a perfect place to create creations really.